Sup guys, I'm Nightmare Foxy here, and it's like literally, it's literally freezing right now. So we're just gonna shoveling some snow and then have a snowball fight, okay? Whoa. So much snow. I know it's cold. Dang it. Dang. Dang it. How am I supposed to end the video now? Oh gosh. Door is moving. Alright, so let's get this thing on, and then we'll go back outside, okay? One hand. Stay, Marley, stay. Go. Go. Go, go, go. Go. Okay, now let's go. So icy. Okay. Oh. I don't even know what I'm doing. Yeah. We'll just take a break. Just look at the snow. It's so huge. It's like literally so huge. Wow. You're wondering, Jared, it's Thursday. You're not on your phone. Well, I didn't have to go to school because of all. I had to hold the phone. So, whoa. Oh my. Yo. Oh, another one's coming. Oh my god. It's so huge. It's like a blizzard. You got to get this AO&T mask on. Okay, let's go. It's super wet. Let's go. Oh my god. It's freezing out here. It's like a blizzard. It's got one. Oh, let's get that. Yeah. Guys, it's literally freezing. So, 5 likes, and I'll do a prank call. I'm gonna prank call Julian. Okay, guys? Oh my. Oh, hi.
Yeah. You're gonna be out here, you're gonna work.
Where?
Yeah.
What's this? Yeah. Ah. Oh no. Okay. How are you gonna do this? Because I saw a fox over here. And we all know that the fox is my channel's an animal. So let's do this, okay?
What are you doing?
I can't. I had to do it with one hand.
Huh?
I did it with one hand.
Come on. You're just messing around.
I'm not messing around.
You're making a mess. Move out the way.
I had to.
You're not helping. You're making a mess.
Okay, guys, that's it for this video. So I need to work, and then we'll make another video of this. Then we'll do if I get 5 likes on it. If 5 likes, I'll do a prank calling Julian. Okay, so peace.